Hi viewers, welcome back to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is Bootstrap table classes and our designing of Bootstrap table. What we discuss on today? Bootstrap tables, Bootstrap table classes and the Bootstrap table designing. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. Please click on bell icon. Also, you can get directly notifications to your Gmail. Okay, guys, I am going to topic. What we discuss on today? Sorry, this is the 8th tutorial for Bootstrap beginners. It's a tutorial for Bootstrap beginners. In this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is Bootstrap tables and classes. We mainly discuss on this tutorial how to design tables in Bootstrap, how to write code for tables in Bootstrap. First of all, I mainly discuss on Bootstrap table classes. Bootstrap basic table version. This is the Bootstrap basic table. This is the Bootstrap basic table. Bootstrap basic table and strip rows, one of the class. Bootstrap table class and a border table and hover rows. Condensed table. Total, these are the Bootstrap table classes. So guys, I will explain each and everything one by one. Please listen and watch carefully. I am going to write the code. This is the basic HTML structure. We all of you know. Here I am calling the only Bootstrap CSS file and Bootstrap JS file and CSS file. Okay guys, first of all you can see the output for these tables. Yeah, this is the output for this HTML and I will design the next table class equal to table. This is the basic table. Ph serial number, ph first name, last name, first name, last name, city, state, country, so check the output for this. This is the output. Here city, 01 serial number, city, first name, next one, first name, last name, and city. Telangana, India. So check the output. That this is the output for this HTML. Next, I will write the CSS for this. Margin 0, padding 0, body. Next, H1. So check the output. This is the output for this. Bootstrap basic table. This is the Bootstrap basic table. Next, I will write the second class name is table stripped. This is the Bootstrap basic table. Next, I will write the class for Bootstrap stripped. Yeah, this is the Bootstrap basic table stripped. So check the output. And we can clearly observe it. Clearly observe it. Color also not the right. Yeah, Bootstrap stripped. Table stripped. What is the use of Bootstrap table stripped? Bootstrap table stripped class adds zebra strips to a table. Zebra strips to a table. Bootstrap basic table is the Bootstrap basic table has a light padding and only horizontal dividers. Bootstrap basic table has a light padding and only horizontal dividers. And the second one, Bootstrap stripped rows. Class Bootstrap table stripped class adds a zebra strips. Sorry. Bootstrap table striped class adds a zebra stripes to a table. Zebra stripes to a table. And next, third one. You can check. Third one. Table border. You can change the class name. Table border. Table border. So check the output. Yeah, this is the table border. What is the table border class? Table border class adds borders on all sides of the table and cells. Bootstrap table border class adds borders on all sides of the table and cells. Yeah, here add the all sides of the borders. This is the use of Bootstrap table border. And next, fourth one, power on rows. Power on rows. Table hover. Also check the output. Yeah. And power background color change. This is the use of table hover. Table hover class adds power effect, gray color background on table rows. Here I am hover the table rows. Gray color background color is added. So guys, this is the use of table hover. And next one is table condensed. Table condensed class makes a table more compact by cutting cell padding in half. Cutting cell padding in half. Background color change. It's not clearly visible. So that's why I am comments these properties so we can clearly observable. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Table condensed. I will write the table condensed class. Table condensed. Table condensed. So check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Table condensed. So guys, this is the process to write the table classes in Bootstrap. I hope we all understand how to design tables in Bootstrap and how to write the code for tables in Bootstrap. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Okay guys, before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon also. If you click on bell icon, if you can directly get the notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.